Dairy alternatives. Now, this is going to be fun. When I grew up, they did not give bovine growth hormone to the cows. They are doing it now. Now, raw dairy from healthy cows is super beneficial, tons of healthy bacteria. However, if you have the standard American diet or with gut issues, since we're talking about digestion this month, dairy is not good for you. Typically, most people are going to have a leaky gut, so we have to heal the gut before you can get back on raw dairy. And so what are you going to do? Don't you like that creamy deliciousness? Well, I'm going to show you how to make some coconut milk fresh using coconuts. Also, when you're looking at other alternatives, Rebel Drink is amazing, but you're talking what this has in it: coconut milk, dairy-free, soy-free, organic, amazing, maca, mocha, the coffee brand. And no, I'm not getting advertisements from these people, although I should, because I freaking love it. And this is my go-to drink. But now, let's make some coconut milk. I'm going to show you two ways to cut these babies. I'm going to show you the girl way first. Now, inside, you'll see the peak here. Right around this outside edge is where the coconut itself is. So if you slice just about straight down, the knife will just go right around the edge. Very, very easy. And you're going to expose the top. And you'll see I didn't remove the plastic part just to make it easier. Now, to open it, you need a slightly larger knife. But this one, if we did it correctly and expose that, one direct hit right there. Oh my gosh, does anybody have a straw and an umbrella? Yeah, okay. That is clean and professional. It's not my kids' favorite way to do it. They like to just beat it. But I'm going to show you the other way too. So this I'm going to pour in here. You have to get the meat out of the coconut. And these are young coconuts. So the meat is fairly soft and pretty easy to get out. You don't want to get any bits of the shell in there. That'll be a little bit crunchy. Okay, I can scoop this out, okay, and get it in there. Or let's do the other method. Now this one, I'm going to remove the plastic wrap. To open it, I'm going to hit it at an edge. And remember, right here is where the coconut is. So very gentle. It does splash when you're doing it this way. Almost got it. It's a little brutal, but it still works. And you pour this baby in. Now, to get the coconut out, let's do the efficient method. Now, I kind of like scooping it out, but this way it is much simpler. Now, these rough parts, it will make the coconut milk taste a little bit more woodsy, almost like a little rustic. You can leave that on if you like that flavor. If not, take it off. I'm just thinking more fiber. Then we take this baby over and we're going to blend it. Make sure that coconut is ground up in there really nicely. A cheesecloth would work great. There's a lot of methods to do this. Some people will do hot water in there to break it down with dried coconut flakes. Using the young coconut, you definitely want to strain it. And it'll take a while to get through this grate here. But just let it go down. Let it move slow. You can help it along with a spoon. A cheesecloth would work fantastically well. Okay, so when you're making coconut milk, think of the stuff that you can do with it. Okay, yeah, you can mix it in with your coffee. That way you're going to get some healthy saturated fats. But also, what about cooking with it? What about freezing it? What about taking this sauce that's left over, the pulp, freeze it and make a little bit of a coconut ice cream? Look at all the different aspects that you can do. Then when you get it down to just the pulp, you're left with some absolutely delicious, raw, vegan, organic coconut milk. Make sure you save the leftovers, but that is going to be delish. Enjoy.